Greetings, my beautiful people. Don't know this is DJ's Wicked Vlogs in the place. Yeah, once more. So, yeah, I'm gonna take you guys on a tour to the peeps. So stick and stay, watch how I go on. Stay tuned for that one. You know what I mean? Yes, peeps in the street of Canada. About to go across the road. So just watch how I go on. There I do the right thing, you know? Wait for the stoplight there. Yeah, that's so. Stick and stay, watch how I go on, peeps. Yeah. Yo! Oh dear peeps, active, you know. So you don't know. Walk down my TV bank, you know. Fully active, you know. Pass a little now. Yes, peeps, I'm here inside Walmart trying to get a couple of stuff. So, stick and stay, watch how I go on. Now I'm gonna take you along on the journey. So stick and stay, guys. Watch it pre. I'll give you guys a front view. So watch how I go. This is in Walmart. I'm just gonna pick up a couple of stuff. Trying to get a trolley. Can't get one, so yeah, I'm just trying to show you guys around. So let's go on, make sure you like, share, comment if anybody comment, subscribe if anybody subscribe. Yeah, I'm here trying to present content to you guys as usual. Yeah. So I'm gonna pick up one of these stuff. I always love to eat this stuff. So guys, as you can see, I have a lot of stuff here. This one, tradition. You see, slide. Oh dear, peeps. You can see we have the vegetable side and all of that. What me tell yourself, remember me boy? Dog tape, alright. When we reach the last store, we get it.
Buy one that Canadian there.
Alright. I forgot Canadian tire. I forget the knee guard. The knee but so where I go use?
Yeah?
Yeah.
The back.
Oh. Okay. Alright. Okay, sir. Yeah, I have for the iron box. Irish easy like this one.
Easy like what?
This. If believe me, man, a coal me used to burn and if me. Yes, peeps, I always love to buy grapes, so I'm here looking for some grapes today.
Okay.
Yeah, I really need some grapes, guys. This one, yes, so I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna sample first, peeps. I have no water, so I like wipe it and pull over or something like that. Just to taste it. very sweet peeps. Very, very sweet. So I'm here trying to get a couple of stuff. Trying to get a couple of stuff, please. I do want to use one, Charlie. When my boy around there talk sweet, I say. Bonfire for me and my camera, eh? Oh God. Say you're giving up. Everything, guys. Right. One of them will buy. Them bad. Yes, peeps, this is the real pear. And back home we have avocado. This is pear. Yeah. You get it? That peeps. Yeah, I'm just picking up some stuff and just showing you what's going on as well. So, watch a style of peeps. I'm gonna try look bread. I'm gonna try look bread. But the one I normally have to pick up in the scene. One that I'm always picking up, I don't see any. To take two of these. Hey sir, what's these?
Those are rutabagas. What? Rutabagas. Kind of like turnip, I think.
Oh, similar to turnip.
Sweet onion.
Okay.
Sweet
Thank
onion.
you.
This is a sweet onion. What kind
Miss
of
Charlie today.
mushroom?
Miss Charlie.
Whole or cut up? These ones?
Wow, different kind of stuff on this side. Yeah, that's okay, bro.
I can't remember when I listened.
This is 7.7.
Peace, my brother. Enjoy Canada.
Yeah. Big up. Yes, peeps, you don't know. We have to have a little fun and all of that, you know. Yeah, so I'm here trying to pick up something to make tea with. So normally I'm looking for my regular tea bags, but don't see any of them. I'll probably take something else. So I'll work with this one. Come true, Pops. Yeah, so here I am, peeps, trying to see what I can get. So guys, make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe. I'm gonna pick up some stuff right here. So I'm gonna let you guys see a bit of that. Yes, peeps, I'm here trying to find something that I can have to munch on. 3 for $8. So I'm gonna pick up 3 of these. Probably we can put a couple in the box that I'm packing as well. So yeah, stick and stay, watch what I want, guys. Out here doing it right as usual. You're most welcome. So I'm gonna take one of these things as well. Yeah. Guys, stick and stay, watch y'all go on. Gonna take home one of these from a little meat board, like when I'm going out to cook. Yeah, I'm gonna take this with me, so I'm gonna put this in my box as well. And as I said before, I'm in Walmart right now picking up some stuff. Yeah. Walmart shopping today.
Right, sir?
Daddy. R3D. I always part the yeah guys, they are handful, all full. As you can see, everything feel right here. I couldn't get a trolley, so you guys have to bear with me, you know. Yeah, so just taking you guys with me to the cashier. See how it goes today. Very long line and stuff. If I can leave my stuff in the line here and run go get to ensure what is it. But I'm going to try. I'm gonna try, peeps. I'll leave everything right here. Gonna go look at ensure. So stick and stay. Alright, chat with me, guys. I have to run, guys.
Ensures. So when you're not getting enough vitamins, it's a good way. It's a drink. So if you're not feeling good, Mama can give it to you. That's the best. No, I know.
Hi, hello.
There you go.
Where can I, good evening, where can I find the insure them?
Around the corner.
Right to the Addy.
Yo, boss, brother.
Well, yeah, guys, I'm by the cashier, so trying to pocket all these stuff. That's so sure. Thank you.